featuring the 3-Degree Guarantee, sponsored by your Wisconsin Chevy Super Dealers.
It was another cooler by the lake kind of day here in Northeast Wisconsin. Right now it is 38 degrees in Ephraim, still holding on to 50 in Wautoma, where temperatures were in the mid-50s just an hour ago. Right now in Appleton it is mostly sunny and 48. We have east winds gusting up to around 20 miles per hour. In Green Bay the winds have died down a bit. We had gusts over 30 miles per hour for much of the afternoon, but those winds will pick up once again later on tonight into tomorrow afternoon. The satellite image this evening shows our next big weather maker. It's an area of low pressure now pulling out of the Rockies, and you can see the track it's going to take here over the next 24 to 36 hours. Blizzard warnings once again across much of Iowa and Minnesota. Closer to home, north and west of the Fox Valley, we are looking at a combination of winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings, but I think tomorrow we'll probably see additional advisories or warnings issued as it becomes more apparent as to when everything is going to transition over to purely snow from the Fox Valley towards the lakeshore. Before that happens, though, we will be looking at rain mainly, and then sleet, some freezing rain, and snow. That'll be during the late morning and afternoon. I think most areas probably end up with around a ½ an inch to 3/4 of an inch of precipitation, mainly in the form of rain, and then it'll switch over to snow as we head through the evening. Now, the rain will come in showers and thunderstorms, so it's going to be a very wild day, no doubt about it. And speaking of thunderstorms, there's actually a marginal risk for severe weather south and west of Lake Winnebago throughout the morning and early afternoon, and that means a few of the storms could produce some gusty winds and also some hail. And of course, there's a threat for some locally heavy rain. Skycast at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning shows some scattered showers and sprinkles. But as the morning progresses, look what happens. A large area of showers and thunderstorms spreads in from the south and west. Off to the north and west, from Wausau up to Antigo, it'll be snowing, and that snow will fall heavily throughout the day. We will still be looking at a wintry mix across the Fox Valley until about 5 or 6, rain east of the Fox Valley, and then everything goes over to snow as we head deeper into the evening and eventually into the night, and that snow could fall heavily at times. Now, the computer forecast models are still all over the place with how much snow could potentially fall here in the Fox Valley, ranging from around an inch on the North American model to around 10 inches on the Canadian model. This is a tricky forecast because the transition, how long does it take, when does it take, will play a major role in how much snow we get versus that wintry mix. Obviously, more mixing equals less snow. And on top of that, it's going to be a wet snow. The ground temperature is fairly warm, and that means we will have some melting and compressing. 3 inches of snowfall could actually only equal maybe an inch on the ground. So with that in mind, I think south and east of the Fox Valley, about 1 to 2 inches, 2 to 4 inches from around Oshkosh to Appleton, north to Green Bay, north and west of the Fox Valley, 4 to 8, and then way off to the north, 8 to 12. So tonight, thickening clouds, lows in the mid-30s. Tomorrow, a windy mess, rain and a few thunderstorms going over to snow. My 3-degree guarantee is 36. If I can hit that high within 3 degrees, we will donate $100 to Child Care Resource and Referral, which we did today. Behind the storm, spring officially arrives on Thursday, and then after that, another big storm arrives Sunday into Monday.